We will be using matrices to do a lot of application type questions. So what we really need to work on is being able to represent information that we are given as a matrix. So if you look at this question, which says construct a matrix to display the numerical information in the table below, you can just about see the matrix forming there. We've got 2 rows and 3 columns. So all of those elements will be the numbers, and we can even put up along the top and the side all of the titles. So this would be considered a good matrix to represent the gym membership for this club. Now in this example you have 3 towns, and the edges between those 3 towns is the direct route between them. So what we're asked here is to use a matrix to represent the connections, and so each element should describe the number of ways to travel directly from one town to another. So let's work on part 1 here. So along the side and up along the top I have written the 3 towns, and I need to know how I get, or what the connection is between those towns. So can I get from A to A? Well, I haven't moved anywhere, so therefore it would be 0. Now A to B, there is 1 connection. A to C, I can't get there directly. I can go through B, but I can't get there directly, and we do want the direct connection. Just be careful. So we're going to fill out the rest of that, and we get to this part here, B to C. Now you can see that there are 2 different connections between B and C, so that would have to be written as 2. So between B and C there are 2. A to C again is 0, and C to C is 0. So that would be my matrix that best represents the connections there. Part 2 asks us what information is given by the sum of the second column of the matrix. So we're looking at this bit here. Sum means to add, obviously. So when I add them, I get 3. So what does that 3 tell me? Look back to your diagram and you can see here that moving into B, there are 3 connections. So there are 3 connections from B or to B, whichever way you want to look at it. So hopefully you're starting to see that matrices can describe situations, and then they can be used to work out information about those situations.